So we are here at Cineworld Leicester Square for the Bullet Train premiere and we're very excited. Let's go and meet some of the stars.
Look at the magic here. Look at the magic. It's loud, it's big, it's hilarious. All the characters are really funny.
So 4DX is where the seats move in time with the action.
Really?
And there's water and wind and it's epic.
Really?
Yeah. And
I gotta see this.
Man, I want to do 4D, I can't lie, because I want to see what it feels like when we watch Brad get pummeled.
Yeah! You had a little like smell-o-vision and like wind and
everything you could want.
Like, so this one, do you feel the train all the way through?
Yeah, it's gonna be
How's that?
epic.
How's my train?
That was amazing.
Hold on!
The third act action scene in IMAX is beautiful, gorgeous.